Welcome to Top Product Picks. The Best Caterpillars Live is probably one of the most fascinating and educational tools available for anyone looking to explore the natural world up close, offering a unique opportunity to witness the incredible transformation from a humble caterpillar to a beautiful butterfly right before your eyes, making it an ideal choice for curious minds of all ages who want to bring a piece of nature's magic into their homes or classrooms and learn about insect life cycles in an interactive and engaging way. Number 5. Insect Lore Live Caterpillars Refill. Bring the magic of metamorphosis home with our live caterpillars. This refill kit is perfect for your existing butterfly habitat, offering an unforgettable learning experience for all ages. Watch as these fascinating creatures grow, form chrysalides, and transform into beautiful butterflies. It's a hands-on STEM activity that captivates both kids and adults. Our 5 live painted lady caterpillars are raised with dedication on our family farm in California. We've been trusted since 1969 to provide a quality learning experience. This kit includes everything you need: 5 live caterpillars, their nutritious food, and a special holding log. Simply add your insect lore habitat and observe their amazing journey. This cup of caterpillars is the ideal refill for your insect lore butterfly garden habitat. It's a wonderful way to share the wonder of nature with your family or classroom. For the best experience, please ensure your local daytime temperatures are between 50 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit when ordering. We ship to the continental US only. What we like? This is a great starter refill for your existing habitat. If you're looking for a simple way to continue the butterfly life cycle observation, this is the one for you. It's perfect for a single child or a small group wanting a focused experience. What people say? The caterpillars are very healthy and active. The product arrived quickly and the caterpillars were well packaged. The caterpillars are a good size and appear to be eating well. Number 4. Insect Lore Butterfly Garden Kit Refill. Witness the incredible journey of 10 baby caterpillars as they transform into beautiful butterflies. This is an amazing learning experience for everyone. Bring your family or classroom closer together by sharing the wonder of butterfly metamorphosis. It's a truly unforgettable experience. Your kit includes 10 baby caterpillars, their food, and special holding logs. A helpful care guide is also provided to ensure success. Designed for ease of use, these kits are perfect for family projects or classroom activities. Follow the clear instructions for a rewarding experience. Pair this refill with the Insect Lore Butterfly Garden Kit for a complete journey. In about 3 weeks, you'll release your butterflies into the world. For the best results, it's recommended to start raising your caterpillars when temperatures are between 50 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Please note, shipping is limited to the continental USA. What we like? Double the caterpillars means double the fun. If you have a larger family or classroom and want to observe more transformations, this option is ideal. It provides a more extensive viewing experience with 2 separate cups. What people say? The caterpillars are very active and engaging to watch as they grow and build their cocoons. The kit includes everything needed for a successful and educational experience, with clear instructions. Observing the metamorphosis process firsthand is a fascinating and memorable learning opportunity for all ages. Number 3. Insect Lore Butterfly Garden Live Caterpillars. Create unforgettable memories by watching live caterpillars transform into butterflies. Embark on a captivating 3-week project and witness the day-to-day metamorphosis of your very own butterflies. You'll receive live baby caterpillars with their food, a butterfly habitat, logs for chrysalises, a feeder, and everything needed for their care. It also includes life cycle figurines and STEM activity journals in both English and Spanish. We have been trusted by families and educators for over 50 years. Teach an appreciation for nature using live insects from the original source, proudly grown in the USA. Our mesh habitat is designed for effortless use, easy to clean, and simple to store. The included log makes transferring your chrysalises easy, allowing kids to help with the process. Combine bilingual instruction and life cycle science with the included STEM activity journals. The oversized figurines are true to life, showing all the stages from egg to butterfly. Please postpone your live insect order if daytime temperatures are too extreme. Your caterpillars are sensitive to heat or cold. We cannot ship live insects to certain locations. What we like? This is the ultimate all-in-one package for an immersive experience. If you're starting from scratch or want a comprehensive educational tool, this kit is perfect. It's especially great for bilingual households or classrooms looking for integrated learning materials. What people say. The caterpillars are very active and engaging to watch as they grow and build their cocoons. The kit includes everything needed for the experiment, from the caterpillars to the food and habitat. It's a fantastic educational tool for children to learn about the life cycle of butterflies. Number 2. American Luxury Gifts. Life is better at the track wall art. Rev up your space with the spirited charm of this racing decor. It captures the adrenaline rush of the racetrack while delivering a witty nod to the joys of a fast-paced life. Give a friend or family member this lovely wall art poster print with a racing theme. It's a thoughtful and unique gift for someone special who enjoys vibrant, high-energy decor. These unframed wall art pieces are printed on premium quality Fuji Crystal Archive photo paper with a luster finish. Frames are not included, allowing for personalization to match your style. This modern wall art print is proudly American-made, undergoing rigorous quality control measures. This ensures superior craftsmanship and exceptional quality in every detail. We take pride in offering the finest racetrack wall art. Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction ensures every piece is crafted with the utmost care and attention. What we like. This is not a live product, but a unique piece of decor. If you're looking to add some personality and a touch of high-octane style to your space, this is the perfect choice. It makes a fantastic gift for any racing enthusiast or someone who loves a dynamic, motivational aesthetic. What people say. The product is very durable and has a long lifespan. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to use for extended periods. It features a powerful motor that provides excellent performance. Number 1. Live Painted Lady Caterpillars to Butterflies Activity Kit. Experience the inspiring journey of metamorphosis. Watch as these tiny creatures undergo a miraculous transformation into beautiful butterflies right before your eyes. You'll receive 5 live caterpillars, each provided with nutritious food. They are ready to begin their incredible journey to becoming painted lady butterflies. Our included instruction sheet guides you through a seamless experience. Learn all about their life cycle and get tips for releasing them into their natural habitat. Enjoy the beauty of nature with minimal effort. This activity kit features a low-maintenance design, ensuring a hassle-free experience for everyone. This live butterfly kit includes everything you need to begin. You'll get 5 live caterpillars, their food, and a helpful painted butterfly booklet. What we like. This option focuses on a straightforward and engaging experience. If you want a simple, low-fuss way to witness metamorphosis with a clear guide, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for individuals or families who appreciate a hands-on, educational activity without complex setup. What people say. The product has a very good design and is easy to use. The features are well implemented and the product works as expected. The build quality is excellent and it feels very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.